Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it's pandemic situation. Still there is some patients. So all of you take care of yourself. Wash your hands properly. Cover your mouth. Don't go outside. Stay home. Stay safe. So today we are going to discuss about drag and drop, shading, section break, copy and paste. So first of all we will discuss drag and drop. What is drag and drop? Drag means that you are going to drag any image, any text, any folder from one part of the screen to another part of the screen using a mouse. Okay, so the next topic we are going to discuss is shading. So shading means that you are going to highlight any area, like any important information on the screen in the document, like you highlight text on your books. It has different varieties, like it is bit different from the shading. You can get different colors from in shading. Okay, so I have shaded this paragraph. So you can go for the shading on home tab and choose date button, go for the border and shading and go to the shading. Okay, you can apply shading to the paragraph or text. Then we have a section break. Section break means that you break your document into different sections. Okay, and you can apply different formatting on the section. If you want to insert section break, go to the page layout, go to the breaks, and don't go for the page because we are not going to insert page break. We are going to do the section break. Go to the continuous section break. Okay, you can go to the next page as well, but go to the next continuous section break. If you want to see that your section break is inserted or not, go to the home tab, and here you can find this icon, show and hide icons. So click on this icon, then you will get that here you have inserted the section break. Okay, section break is important because you can divide your document into different sections and you can apply different formatting, like आप कलर चेंज कर सकते हो different parts का, आप उनका like time रोमन कर लो, किसी का जो भी कर लो. ठीक है. So next topic is copy and paste. Copy and paste mean that you are going to make a duplicate of your text. Okay, and the shortcut key of copy is Ctrl+C. If you want to make a duplicate of your text, you can go for the copy and paste. Okay, and thank you so much. Ctrl+C is a shortcut key as I have told you. Thank you so much all of you. If you have any question you can ask me. Okay, I am always here. और अल्लाह हाफिज़.